Meet the Aper Scuba V3, world's first cognitive AI-powered essential robotic pool cleaner. Enjoy carefree pool cleaning with the Aper Scuba V3 cordless robotic pool cleaner, featuring Vision Path adaptive AI navigation, jet assist waterline cleaning, dual brushes, and powerful 4,800 gallons per hour suction. It delivers spotless results with ease. Real-time app alerts, cognitive AI Navia mode, and certified data privacy protection make every clean smarter, safer, and completely hands-free.
I just want to go over what's included with the Aper Scuba V3. Comes with a quick start guide. It comes with a hook to pull the robot out of the pool. Pretty cool, it matches the color of the robot on top. You got your power cord to charge the unit. It comes with some buoyancy foam. If it has trouble climbing up your walls, you can add these. Comes with some instructions. You got your charging base. And you got your robot. This thing looks awesome. It looks very high quality. All right, let's go take this out to the pool and get the cleaning.
The charging dock makes life simple. Enables automatic, hassle-free recharging after each cleaning session. Feather-light design makes the robot easy to lift and carry with just one hand, weighing just 18 pounds.
So this is my pool before. There's a lot of algae down there. I let my pool get really dirty. We're gonna put this thing to the test. See what it's got.
One-click activation keeps operations simple. It features AI patrol cleaning, identifies debris, and adjusts its path instantly for 10 times faster for smarter cleaning. Also, cognitive AI Navia mode creates automatic weekly cleaning plans by pool size, cleaning history, and weather.
When the robot finishes, it parks itself on the side of the pool, and then you can easily lift it out with this included hook. All right, let's see what all we got. Oh, it got leaves and sand. It pretty much filled up that filter. So you can actually remove this micro filter and just pick up large debris if you just needed to pick up large debris. All right, let's get this cleaned out. Super simple to clean out. And just like that, it's like new. Then you go ready to catch some more debris. So on the control panel, you got your extra large power button. You just press it in and hold it in. The unit will turn on. Then you got your Wi-Fi mode. And you can change the different modes by pressing the power button. You got auto mode, floor mode, wall mode, and waterline. But where this pool cleaner really shines is inside the app. Let's check it out. So you can change the different cleaning modes inside the app. And you can also set a schedule for cleaning and also set a schedule based off the weather conditions. In AI mode, it has self-adaptive cleaning and usage pattern analysis. In the cleaning settings, you can clean an S-shaped and adaptive path. And you can turn your vision camera on and it will automatically target debris. You can also clean your pool with this robot at night. Just look how clean it got my pool. And the best thing about it is, I didn't have to lift a finger. That's awesome. I highly recommend you check this robot out. Just click the link below and you can use my code SPACEN31 for extra 5% off on both Official and Amazon.